fellow van lifers and aspiring adventurers. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to talk about living essentials you'll need for your van life journey and share some fantastic organization tips to help you maximize space and comfort in your home on wheels. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to make your van life experience more enjoyable and efficient. Determining your living essentials. Alright, so the first thing we need to discuss is determining your must-have items for daily living. Now, we all know that space is limited in a van, so focusing on necessities and multifunctional items is crucial. Let's break it down into categories. Clothing. Pack smart and versatile outfits. Clothing can quickly take up valuable space in a van, so it's essential to prioritize versatile and multifunctional clothing items. Opt for clothing made from quick-drying and moisture-wicking materials, as they're easier to wash and dry on the go. Also, focus on layering pieces that can easily be combined to accommodate various weather conditions. Pack enough underwear and socks for 1 week. Include a mix of short and long-sleeved shirts. Bring a few pairs of pants that can double as casual or outdoor wear, such as jeans and hiking pants. Don't forget a lightweight jacket and a warm coat for colder temperatures. Lastly, add a few accessories like hats, gloves, and scarves for extra warmth and sun protection. Cookware. Embrace minimalism in the kitchen. Your van's kitchen setup may be limited, so it's crucial to select cookware that is compact, multifunctional, and easy to store. Opt for nesting pots and pans to save space and choose utensils that can perform multiple tasks. Remember to bring along some reusable food storage containers and a cooler or portable fridge to keep perishables fresh. Invest in a compact camping stove or portable cooktop. Choose a nesting cookware set with pots, pans, and lids. Bring multi-purpose utensils such as a spatula, tongs, and a can opener. Include a set of reusable plates, bowls, cups, and cutlery. Consider a collapsible sink or wash basin for easier cleanup. Toiletries. Stay clean and organized on the road. Maintaining personal hygiene while living in a van can be challenging, but with the right toiletries and a well-organized system, it's entirely manageable. Opt for travel-sized toiletries that save space and can be easily refilled, and invest in a hanging toiletry organizer to keep everything within reach. Bring travel-sized shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Include essential grooming tools such as a razor, nail clippers, and a compact hairbrush. Don't forget a toothbrush, toothpaste, and dental floss. Pack a quick-drying microfiber towel and washcloth. Include a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. Electronics. Powering your life on the road. Staying connected and entertained on the road is important, but it's crucial not to overpack when it comes to electronics. Focus on devices that serve multiple purposes and invest in a reliable power source to keep everything charged and ready to use. Bring a smartphone or tablet with GPS capabilities for navigation and entertainment. Consider a compact laptop or two-in-one device for work or more demanding tasks. Pack a rechargeable headlamp or flashlight for hands-free illumination. Include a power bank or solar charger to keep devices charged while off-grid. Don't forget charging cables, adapters, and a small surge protector. Maximizing space. Tips for efficient van life living. With limited space in your van, it's essential to make the most of every inch too. Use stackable or collapsible containers for storage. Opt for multifunctional furniture, such as a bed that converts into a seating area. Install hooks, shelves, or magnetic strips to utilize vertical space. Make use of under-bed storage for items that you don't need to access frequently. Consider hanging shoe organizers or pocket organizers on doors and walls for additional storage. 6. Use vacuum-sealed storage bags for bulky items like blankets and winter clothing to save space. 7. Regularly declutter and reorganize your van to avoid accumulating unnecessary items and maintain an efficient living space. Creating a personalized list of living essentials. Everyone's van life experience will be unique, and your specific needs may vary depending on your lifestyle, hobbies, and personal preferences. To create a personalized list of living essentials, consider the following steps. Assess your needs. Take a moment to think about your daily routine, hobbies, and interests. 1. What items are essential to support these activities? Make a list of the items that are most important to you. Research van life essentials. Look for resources such as blogs, forums, and YouTube videos created by experienced van lifers. Create a prioritized list. Based on your research and personal needs, create a prioritized list of essential items. 3. This list will help you stay organized and focused while packing for your van life adventure. 4. Test and refine. Once you've settled into van life, take note of any items that you're missing or aren't using. 4. Adjust your list accordingly, and don't be afraid to swap out items to find the best solutions for your specific needs. We hope you found these living essentials and organization tips helpful for your van life adventure. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and your unique situation. So, experiment, adapt, and most importantly, have fun while living the van life. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more van life tips and tricks. Until next time, happy travels and embrace the adventure that is van life.